Welcome back to HopeScope. Today we are going to be purchasing, unboxing, reviewing, and rating YouTuber brands. Influencers these days are creating everything from merch to full-on companies to even nationwide restaurant locations. Some of these are YouTubers that I have been watching for years, and some of these are actually YouTubers that have brands that you guys suggested I try. By the way, I'm buying all of this stuff with my own money. None of these YouTubers know that I am doing this video. Hopefully some of them still talk to me after this, because I am holding all of this stuff to the same standards that I hold every other brand I review to. The first YouTuber brand I'm gonna be trying out is Toluca Swim. It's a swimwear company created by Whitney Simmons, who is one of YouTube's fitness queens. She's so cute, she has great style, and always has bomb swimsuits on, so I was personally pretty excited about this. She actually collaborated with Taylor Dilk and Chloe Chamberlain, who do more Instagram content than YouTube, and they're actually the owners of Balance Athletica. So all three of them came together to create this brand.
And Steve! I almost forgot Taylor's husband, Steve. Sorry, Steve.
Its main focus is inclusivity as far as the size range, and also customization. Okay, very nice, very aesthetic. All these girls look so intimidating though. Like, am I cool enough to wear this stuff? I don't know. So they have a bunch of different prints that are available in the one piece, a few different top styles, and my favorite part, oh, hey doggy. Oh, did you want to show them your haircut? The bottoms come in a bunch of different styles. Lee, you gotta lay down, buddy. Lee! And I think I'm personally most drawn to this midi style. This one looks like it's gonna be a little bit more high-waisted, but like moderately cheeky, you know? And I really like this Angelina top. It looks like it's gonna have some good support and structure to it. The Artemis. It looks like there's just one style of this one piece, and it is a very, very high cut. I'm sure you've noticed the prices. It's $115 for this one piece. I have some things to say, but we're gonna wait until the official product rating. I don't want to get too ahead of myself. Okay, the next YouTuber brand that I purchased from is Rosie Daze Boutique, an online boutique created by Kosy Marlar. I'm gonna be honest, I am not too familiar with her content, but lots of you suggested to try this stuff out, so let's look her up. Casey Holmes. That's the same person. Okay.
It looks like her main channel is makeup related, but she also has a vlog channel.
See, this is a tough one for me to pick some stuff because you see, I don't wear this stuff anymore. I can't remember the last time I put on like a dressy high pair of boots like that, or even a sweater loungewear. Okay, this is more my speed. The tie-dye, that is cute. And we've got leggings and sports bras. Okay, I was beginning to get a little bit worried there. The prices are kind of that like middle, kind of on the higher range. Okay, I'm so excited about this next one. Holo Taco by Simply Nailogical. She has a YouTube channel that she started out doing nail tutorials. It's really creative and really fun, so even if you aren't any good or any interested in painting your nails, she's still really fun to watch. In fact, her infamous colorful nail polish wall was actually the inspiration behind my legging wall. Holo Taco. That originated, it's like an inside joke on her channel.
I'm gonna make this my final glossy taco.
She's all about her top coats, and I guess one time she said top coat, but everybody heard taco, so it just became this running joke, and now a brand. I did not realize how many colors she had. I'm hesitant to buy like an actual polish because I am so rough on my nails. I have to get them professionally done or else it's just a mess. But what I would do is a top coat. The Solar Unicorn in particular is really calling my name for some reason. She is Canadian, it's a Canadian brand, so shipping looks like it's a little steep. It's gonna be 10 bucks for one polish. It's okay, Christine, you're worth it. This last one is surprisingly one of the most requested reviews that I've gotten in my comment section lately. It is J80 Fit, which is part of the J80 website, started by Josh and Katie. I'm not super familiar with their content. A family vlog channel that does pranks on each other. Oh my gosh, they have a Leo. Okay, so on their website, they've got JD Beauty. Oh, this stuff is pretty. And the prices aren't bad. But J80 Fit is what we were really here for. This stuff is cute. I'm impressed. Prices are just like your standard Instagram activewear prices. $55 leggings, $36 sports bras. I think I'm gonna go with a couple pairs of leggings and a couple tops. Okay, I'm still waiting on a couple of these products to get here, but I will see you in a little bit for the unboxing and review. So see you in a little bit, YouTube.
All right, it's all here.
Oh no, no! Before we unbox and start rating and reviewing all this stuff, I obviously have been spending a lot of money on my videos lately. So I am very excited to announce we have a sponsor for today's video. Not just any sponsor. Function of Beauty. I've been using this and nothing else for probably over a year and a half now. And I know what you're thinking, Hope, those look awfully full for you to have been using them for a year and a half. Just you hold on. I literally saved these crusty bottles to prove to you this actually is the shampoo I use. So I'm particularly excited about my new shampoo because if you couldn't tell by the purple color, it's gonna help keep them up blonde nice and fresh. And that's the best part about Function of Beauty is it is completely customizable to you. You fill out this little quiz all about your hair type, your hair goals. You can even pick the color and the fragrance. I am a super dry person and I live in the middle of a winter desert. So having something that is deep conditioning and good for my scalp are also some of my other goals. When I last got my hair done, my hairdresser was like, what are you doing that your extensions look this good? It's literally this stuff, my friends. Another plus, they use super clean ingredients. No GMOs, no sulfates, no parabens, and it is 100% vegan and cruelty free. If you haven't gotten this stuff yet, I'm going to have a link at the top of my description where you can get 20% off. And if you do already have the shampoo and conditioner, but you haven't checked out their other products, I really love those too. They have body wash, body lotion, and these old bottles, they're 100% recyclable. All right, let's unbox some YouTuber brands.
By the way, if there's some brands that I missed in this video that you would love to see me rate, make sure to drop me a comment.
Starting off with Toluca Swim.
Each piece comes in these little customized baggies.
Okay.
So I feel like Taylor specifically said that it is not the exact same fabric that the Balance Athletic leopard leggings are made out of, but that is so similar, it's crazy. I'm not mad about it, I actually love these leggings. If you get any wind of these restocking, let me know and I'll review them, but I got these during the pre-order and had to wait 18 weeks for them, so that review is a little irrelevant by this point. The velvety details are incredible. Doesn't look like this one's adjustable at all, so that will be interesting. Okay, this is amazing though. Like we actually have some real estate down there, which your girl needs, and then the seam on either side, so it's gonna keep everything in place.
All right, before I try this stuff on, we need to talk about the gossip, the drama, if you will. This stuff launched in like October, November. It looked really nice. I was super excited for them. There were several buts for me. Number one being the timing. 2020 was a little rough on your girl's fitness goals. I'm just not dying to buy swimwear right now, if you know what I mean. The second thing, I don't have any tropical vacation plans this winter. And the third thing, it's expensive. Like, to be honest, I saw the prices and I was like, Whitney, Taylor, Chloe, I can't do this right now. And then like a month or so later, Black Friday rolled around and they did a 15% off if you get 2 or more items. And I said to myself, fine. I did it. That's a big bill for 3 items. I went back to kind of see what people were saying about it for the sake of this video, but so many people were so hurt by the fact that this stuff was so high priced. Do you think it's just because they preached the inclusivity, but the prices don't let everybody have the ability to buy it? Or do you think if they would have released the prices sooner in advance before everybody got all excited, they would have been less shocked? Let's start with the Artemis One Piece. Like I said, I got a medium in this. We've got a built-in shelf bra and removable cup pads, and the entire thing is double lined. When I see the pictures of this on the other girls, it looks good. I think I'm just not used to seeing myself this exposed. That's why I'm freaking out.
It comes all the way up. My belly button's right here, right up to my belly button.
I mean, look at my waist though, like where'd it go? I don't think I hate this actually. Like I said, this gives plenty of coverage. The bum is a little revealing because like that's fine, but I feel like the more I move around, it just kind of like wedges itself in and becomes a little more thong style. I also have a very big bum though.
Oh, and the scoopy back, that's nice.
Now that I'm over the initial shock of seeing myself in a swimsuit for the first time in about 10 months, I feel good. I feel pretty secure. Like, I feel like I could, you know, jog down the beach, jump in the water, and like nothing would pop out. I would say it definitely is up to par quality-wise with the other one-piece swimsuits that I have that I paid $100 for. So I don't think the price is outrageous as far as what the product is. As far as what the expectation was that people had and the timing, I think maybe those were the bigger issues.
This is an effect I have never gotten from a bikini top. I don't know how it's doing this, but it is literally like serving them up and forward.
I don't know about the bottoms. It's almost not quite high enough for me, I think. Other than that, I love the coverage of the back. And then they just have the tiniest seam along all of the edges. So it's not like really pinching. The material is pretty thin, so it's not providing like a whole lot of compression. It's like, get them if you want the whole matching set. Otherwise, I think you could find like a plain black bottom elsewhere for a little bit cheaper that you can mix and match it with. Okay, I gotta open this package all the way from New Jersey. Does she have a US warehouse? What? This box is so cute.
Details on the box. Cute holographic sticker.
That's the little seat.
I don't know what's going on. Nobody ever comes over. Oh, wait, I know what it is. Hang on. Wait, don't worry. It's just my DoorDash, okay.
You're probably wondering, why is the camera still rolling? I thought this was a YouTuber's brand video. It is. Several months ago, Tyler was like, Hope, you need to watch this YouTube video. It's this guy, he goes to this abandoned theme park with his friends and they play hide and seek and whoever wins gets $50,000. And I was like, no, that sounds stupid. I don't care about that. Needless to say, I watched the video and now I'm a MrBeast fan. So in one of his recent videos, he opened a restaurant and was giving away free food to whoever came. It all turned out to be a plug for his 30 MrBeast burger restaurant location. So he contacted restaurants that were obviously struggling due to the pandemic that are located in the cities where most of his subscribers are, and he's using them as ghost kitchens, and they make it and ship it out. So you can only get it delivery. So this is actually my third time ordering it. And the first time I got it, there was like a MrBeast sticker on the bag, MrBeast stickers on the burgers. Now they're just kind of plain. The first time I got the Beast burger and fries, and I had the worst stomach ache after.
I got these fries. They come seasoned or unseasoned. I asked for them unseasoned because the seasoning is just really strong. The last time I got these, it was like the first day that the restaurant opened, so they were a little questionable, but I think they've got the fry to seasoning ratio down a bit better now. And there it is.
You might be thinking, this looks like just a regular burger. Well, that's because it is. You got your bun, your burger patties, the diced onion, ketchup, mustard, cheese. I'm gonna finish this and then I'll be right back. Holo Taco. Way to make me wish I would've bought 4 of them. Cute. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Look at that glisten. Let's try to put some of it on, shall we? Do I need to shake it? Do you shake nail polish?
Okay. Wow. That is so fun.
And I'm not even normally like a sparkly nail polish kind of gal, but that's sweet. Literally the only downside to this was the shipping cost, everything else about it, the product, the packaging. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. Rosie Daze Boutique, here we go. Dua makes her so happy sticker. Lady want it.
Oh, that's nice.
First of all, we have this Sherpa, Igloo Sherpa in ivory. It's a medium. Is it worth $48? It's really cool. Like it has a lot happening with pocket on the arm, big pocket in the middle, little drawstring on the bottom. I don't know if it's a $50 Sherpa though. Like just the weird details like this inner panel that's, I don't know. And it's just one layer. So it's actually not particularly thick and heavy. I'll definitely wear it, but this is comfy. The top in particular. The bottoms are like fine, but this top, I love the neckline. I love how big the sleeves are. The texture's really cool. It's like actually really soft. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was just gonna be sweats material for some reason. I'm interested to see how this holds up after it's been worn and washed several times. Runs kind of small, I think. Like these are medium. They're pretty tight though. Was this worth $80? We've got the shooting star leggings in a medium. They have a cute crisscross waistband and then some mesh on the bottom with stars. That's fun. And then for the top, the flattering feline athletic bra. It looks kind of tiny, so we'll see how that goes. This isn't looking good. Oh no. Okay, first of all, the sports bra is very small for sure.
Definitely would have done better in a medium. It just has this tiny band. I definitely prefer sports bras that have more of a long line to them. The straps are very thin. I just don't see it being great for an actual workout, although the print is very cute.
The sports bra is not the worst part though, unfortunately. I really had high hopes for them, but the mesh is already ripping. It's just not a stretchy mesh, which you need when it's activewear. It's a cute design in theory, it was. Okay, last brand, more activewear, J80 Fit. Oh, I'm excited for this set. Already feels promising. That's really stinking cute. That's a really pretty tie-dye. This is the Snatched sports bra. I got a small, probably could have done medium, honestly. Very good support. It cuts in a little bit more here than I would prefer. The back is super cute. This was $36. I wouldn't say this stuff is like Lululemon quality, but it's definitely up to par with the other activewear that I've tried that's in this price range. Both the top and the bottom have nice brushed feel to them. Still a nice compression though. The leggings are a medium, nice and high-waisted with the seamless waistband. Literally the only thing I can think of is I wish they didn't have that front seam, but other than that, they're a solid pair of leggings. Okay, this one's actually really fun. It's the Valley sports bra in petal pink. Cute little one shoulder moment. I'm already foreseeing problems with this side. I think if you were like a C cup or smaller, you'd probably be okay, but I can already kind of feel it rolling. Could possibly be problematic in a very intense workout, but really flattering, really cute. Yeah, definitely not the most supportive thing I've ever tried though. J80 outfit number 2. I'm devastated. I put on these leggings, Betz leggings in dark purple size medium, and I was like, oh, I like these even better because they're more of a lightweight, really stretchy performance material, not brushed. Nice seamless high waist. But as I was pulling them up, my nail popped a hole in them. They couldn't handle the power of the Holo Taco. This is the second pair of leggings this has happened to since I've gotten this set. These are $49.80, so even less expensive than the other ones. They're like a 7/8 length. These ones also do have the front seam, which isn't ideal, but you know. And this top though, I love this top. It's the cut it out in graphite gray, and I like it because of the length of it. I would still consider a cropped long sleeve top, but most cropped long sleeves come to like where the slit is. Like they're so cropped. I'm always trying to find crop tops that give me a good amount of coverage, and I'm getting it from this top. I feel like it's so flattering. It just kind of cinches in your waist. The fabric is really nice, slightly brushed, has thumb holes, and then the cute open back. This was a win for sure. I would like to get more colors, but I think a lot of these were sold out. I got a small in this top. Overall, I feel like a couple of these brands just have really good products that I would recommend even if you don't necessarily watch that person's channel. The products are still really good. And then others, I think it's more just if you're a fan of that person. Thanks so much for watching, and Leo and I will see you guys in the next video.
Say bye, YouTube.